In the high-stakes world of business, every decision can be the difference between soaring success and a hard lesson learned. Welcome, visionaries and leaders. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, here to guide you through the labyrinth of corporate decision-making. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned executive, mastering the art of choice is your ticket to the top. Are you ready to command the helm with confidence and precision? Let's embark on this journey together. But before we dive into the intricacies of decision-making, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay ahead of the curve with more insights on business mastery. 1. Understanding the role of decision-making in business success. Let's kick things off by exploring why decision-making is the cornerstone of any successful enterprise. From the boardroom to the front lines, every choice carves out the future of a company. Decisions determine direction, allocate resources, and shape cultures. Excellent decision-making drives innovation, captures opportunities, and navigates challenges, propelling businesses towards their goals. 2. The 5 steps of the decision-making process in a corporate setting. Now, let's dissect the 5 steps of decision-making in a corporate environment. Identify the problem or opportunity, gather information. Weigh the evidence. Time to put on your detective hat. You sift through the information and compare the pros and cons of each alternative. It's like reading restaurant reviews before deciding where to eat. You want the best outcome, so you carefully consider each option. Choose among alternatives and take action. Decision time. After analyzing everything, you pick the best course of action and go for it. It's like finally ordering your meal after contemplating the menu. And once the decision is made, it's time to implement it with conviction and see it through. The systematic approach ensures that every angle is considered, risks are weighed, and the best possible path is chosen. 3. How to use data-driven analysis for better business decisions. In the era of big data, making gut decisions is a thing of the past. Data-driven analysis offers a compass in the uncertainty of business seas. Gather your data. First things first, collect all the info you can get your hands on. Whether it's sales figures, customer feedback, or market trends, this data is gold. Analyze. Next up, it's time to play detective. Look for patterns, trends, and correlations. Tools like spreadsheets or specialized software can help you see the big picture. Insights. Please, here's where you dig out the actionable insights. Ask yourself, what's this data telling me? Maybe it's showing you a golden opportunity or a red flag waving high. Decision time. Armed with insights, you're now ready to make a decision that's informed, not just a shot in the dark. Go ahead, take that calculated risk or make that strategic move. Measure the outcomes. Lastly, keep an eye on how things pan out post-decision. This feedback loop is priceless, helping you make even smarter decisions down the road. Remember, using data-driven analysis is like having a secret weapon up your sleeve. It empowers you to cut through the noise and make choices that can propel your business forward. 4. The importance of ethical considerations in business decision-making. Business is not just about profit, it's also about principles. We'll delve into why ethical considerations are not just good practice, they're good business. Understanding the impact of your decisions on people and the planet can build trust, loyalty, and a lasting legacy. 5. Incorporating stakeholder perspectives to enhance decision outcomes. A decision that benefits all is a victory twice earned. We'll discuss how to involve stakeholders in the decision-making process, ensuring that diverse viewpoints are heard and considered. This inclusive approach can lead to more robust outcomes and stronger buy-in from those affected. 6. Strategies for overcoming common decision-making pitfalls in business. Even the best fall down sometimes. But fret not, we have strategies to help you avoid common decision-making traps. Learn to recognize and overcome biases, avoid analysis paralysis, and stay clear of hasty judgments. 7. Embracing technology, decision support systems and AI in modern business. Technology is a game changer in the decision-making arena. We'll explore cutting-edge tools like decision support systems and AI that can provide insights, predict outcomes, and even automate some decisions, freeing you to focus on strategic thinking. 8. The art of making tough decisions, risk assessment and management. The path to greatness is lined with tough calls. Get comfortable with discomfort as we master the art of making challenging decisions. It's not about avoiding risks, it's about understanding and managing them effectively. 9. Learning from the past. How post-decision analysis can improve future choices. Every decision is a lesson waiting to be learned. We'll explore the power of post-decision analysis to refine your decision-making skills. By examining past choices, you can extract valuable insights and sharpen your judgment for future challenges. 10. Fostering a culture of decisive action within your organization. Lastly, we're not just making decisions, we're making decision makers. Cultivate a culture that encourages decisive action, where every team member feels empowered to take the reins when it matters most. Remember, the future doesn't just happen, it's shaped by the decisions you make today. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to steer your business towards success. Thank you for joining me on this voyage of decision-making excellence. If you found this video insightful, show your support by subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on future content. Until next time, make every decision count.